In every laparoscopic procedure where a fascial closure is performed with an unprotected needle, the patients and physicians could be at risk for a sharps injury. EFx Shield's unique suture retrieval system automatically positions the passer without the guidance from the surgeon's finger. More traditional methods also expose the intra-abdominal structures, which could lead to inadvertent bowel injury. For additional protection to the patient, Teleflex designed the proprietary Shield wings. Since its launch in 2015, there have been 0 reported sharps injuries using the Weck EFx Shield. Maintaining the safety of your team and your patients is at the heart of what we do. That's why Teleflex makes your safety our priority with the Weck EFx Shield. To learn more about the safety features, please visit weckefx.com.